friends, welcome back to another AOL video. Do you have dry scalp like me that won't seem to heal? Do you have recurring dandruff? Today in this video, I'll be talking about why we get dandruff so that before you go to the doctor, you can find an easy way out to get rid of this. Then this video is for you. Come, let's get started. Let's face it, dandruff is annoying, frustrating, and even embarrassing. And while dandruff doesn't necessarily come and go, it can get worse during the winter months. Dandruff is a condition in which the scalp starts to itch, leaving you with white flakes in your hair and scalp. The naturally occurring microbe, Malassezia globosa, is found on your scalp, which feeds on the natural oils that are found there. The most interesting fact is that natural oils are there to keep your hair and the skin on your scalp well moisturized. But as the sebum breaks down, it produces a byproduct known as oleic acid. However, 50% of people are sensitive to oleic acid, and so it's evident that their scalp often gets irritated and inflamed. This inflammation causes the scalp to become reddish and itchy, leading the body to signal to the brain to shed skin cells faster. This shedding of skin appears as visible white flakes that often falls onto your shoulder. There are some common reasons why we experience an itchy scalp and those white flakes. Number one reason could be dry skin. Yes, it's one of the most common causes of dandruff. And unfortunately, if this is the root of your dandruff, you might see it get worse this time of the year. If dry skin is causing your dandruff, it's easier to tell as other places of your body are most likely dry as well. And during cold months, skin becomes drier, which is why people tend to notice more dandruff at this time. Keeping your scalp moisturized is the key. There are many shampoos that replenish moisture into your scalp and can alleviate or even completely get rid of dandruff. The next reason could be you probably aren't shampooing properly or the frequency of applying shampoo is less. While it sounds unhygienic, not shampooing enough could be the cause of your dandruff. Wondering how not going for frequent shampooing affects your hair? Well, when you don't shampoo enough, oil accumulates and builds up on the skin and can cause dandruff. It could be that you don't use enough shampoo or that the shampoo you use isn't strong enough to break down the oil barrier that is contributing to your dandruff. Well, the quick fix for it is shampooing more frequently. But you can take it one step further. Use a medicated shampoo over-the-counter product that you are using. A few times a week can help prevent any buildup. From grass to edibles, people are allergic to a wide variety of substances, and it can also be the hair product. If you notice any sort of scalp irritation such as itchiness after using a certain product, it could be because of a sensitivity you have. Don't use any kind of suspected product. If you are not sure what exactly it is, try using a process of elimination method to determine the culprit. Seborrheic dermatitis is a chronic medical condition that not only affects the scalp but also other areas of the body where oil glands are present. It looks similar to other common skin diseases like psoriasis or even an allergic reaction. So what's the remedy? Well, some tar-based shampoos work well to stop skin cells from overturning too quickly. Other medications and following a good skincare routine can also help. If you can relate to the symptoms, it's best to talk with the doctor. Number 5 is the most important and well-known issue. Stress can worsen any skin condition and impair your immune system. Although the microbe malaria is already present on everyone's scalp, it can thrive once the immune system becomes compromised or impaired, leading to the development of dandruff. Stress can cause an itch-scratch cycle where the more you scratch, the itchier your scalp becomes. In between your busy schedule, at least find some time to incorporate some relaxation methods to reduce stress levels and improve scalp health. So hey friends, remember that dandruff is a very common issue with many possible causes. Once you do the detective work of figuring out what's causing the dandruff, you will be able to manage those plagues. So don't hesitate to get a dermatologist's opinion today.
So friends, I hope you have come to know why we get dandruff. Do like and share with your friends and also do subscribe to our channel.